Hey darlings, this is Emma. Welcome back on my YouTube channel. I'm very happy to see you here. And you know what else I'm really happy about? You can probably guess. Yeah, trading on pocket option using my skills, my knowledge, and my strategies, and sharing every step of this fascinating journey with you. So I want to jump right in and see how much I can make today. Are you ready? Well, as always, candles and one for the time frame. I'm going to enable the timer and now pick MACD. We're also going to need the Keltner channel, but that's not all. Okay, we'll zoom in and we'll go right away. $80 is my first beat, and in this trade I see that we have a breakout above the Keltner channel midline. The super trend indicator gives us a buy signal, and an MACD oscillator also confirms a bullish setup. So the only way here is the way up, and we are going up. Darlings, and if you enjoy the educational approach to strategy and you want to explore more trading opportunities and improve your trading skills, I will totally help you with all of that in my Telegram channel. The link is right below this video, and trust me, once you join, you will never regret that decision. Promise you. That's a smart thing to do. Okay, and here comes the first profit, $153.60. Lovely. I love seeing this result. Okay, next asset pair. See what we can do here. I'm gonna go for $153 this time, and right now I am expecting a pullback, and after that a renewed upward movement with the bounce of the super trend line. That is right. And MACD is still giving us a bullish signal, so we are opening a long. When it's a call option, it's a call option. It's time to buy. I have all the reasons to be. $294.91. Lovely. All right, let's get another pair, see what's been happening in this market. And $294 is my new bid. Let's take a closer look together. You see, the price is consolidating above the Keltner midline, and I'm expecting further upward movement and a breakout above the super trend line. And MACD is confirming a long setup. So time to buy and time to go up once again. I've been thinking of cutting my hair, and that's every girl's problem. Honestly, we either want to grow it or we want to cut it. And that's so hard. That profit is just wonderful though. $530. Here we go. What a great reason to celebrate. But we're gonna celebrate after. Right now, I'm gonna stay focused. All right, well, $530 for the next bid. And I see a strong bullish engulfing green candle is appearing here. The price is approaching the super trend line, exiting a breakout. And I'm looking for a close above the Keltner midline. The oscillator gives us a bullish signal, so time to go for a call option. A lot of buying today, but as long as it's bringing me money, we should buy. Oh, definitely. And for any kind of some extra support, whether you're a beginner or you've been trading for some time, I got you covered in my TG channel. The link is right below this video. And guys, everything I know, I share with you there. And the profits speak for themselves. $1,080. Wonderful. Just wonderful. Amazing. Let's go up. $1,008 is my next bid, and I'm keeping the same asset pair because everything is going according to plan. We are now holding above the Keltner midline. The oscillator still confirms the bullish direction. And since we are going up, I think it's a great opportunity. And the call option is gonna bring me more profit. Yes, $1,886. I mean, what did I tell you? It's so great to truly know what you're doing. All right, $1,886. Here we go. There is a strong buying momentum on the euro. And once again, we are entering a long. The super trend and MACD support further upward movement. So everything points to one direction, and that is up. That's right. Ooh, consistent profits, $3,508. Guys, we are talking some serious money here. And I love it. I'm just thrilled. I'm going to place $3,508 for this next bid because I am serious. Well, in this pair, a sharp downward movement we are observing right now in the super trend gives us a sell signal. MACD histogram also points to bearish momentum, and the price is breaking below the Keltner midline. So, you know what time it is? It's time to sell. Time for a put option. It's finally happening. Something for a change. So let's wait for that drop to happen. $6,735. I need to catch my breath. Oh my God. Okay, you know what? I'm going to place, I'm really going big here, $4,000 as my next bid. I get very excited, and I can see that the price here is breaking below the super trend line. MACD is giving us a bearish signal, and the price is holding below the Keltner channel. So, going for a put option here. Let's do it. Pretty high bids, and I'm just holding my breath here, and I'm waiting for that. I'm waiting for that drop to happen. And then I'm gonna come up with the ways I'm gonna spend the money. A vacation would be nice, but I got some stuff to do in the city, so I might just get a new bag. Okay, almost there. $7,680. It's got really hot in here. But guys, I just turned $80 into $10,400. I have no words except for everything is possible when it comes to trading. The level of excitement though, insane. Darlings, if you want to explore new trading opportunities and build consistent results, and you want to familiarize yourself with profitable strategies, I got you covered in my TG channel. The link is right below this video, so make sure you check it out because I got a whole lot of useful info waiting for you right there. Thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna go and decide on the bag I want to buy because this profit, I want to spend it soon. I will see you back here again and have an amazing, amazing day. Bye.